What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, I am uploading for the second day in a row. Let's go. Something I rarely freaking do. Anyway, today we are going to be doing something a little different. A tier list. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am that unoriginal. But this isn't any ordinary tier list. This is a tier list of every pandemic match in WWE and not every pandemic match, every cinematic match in WWE from the pandemic. So, man, let's get started. First up, we have I barely even remember this one. the Street Profits versus the Viking Raiders and I think the Backyard Brawl or something, in the Backstage Brawl. I don't really remember this one that well, which kind of tells you how it was. So I'm gonna just put this in garbage because I don't remember it. Greatest wrestling match ever: Randy Orton versus Edge. Now, given that this was called that, like, you must have thought it would be the greatest match ever, right? Not it. It was good. It was great. I'm not taking anything away from the match, but I just hate it when WWE puts these, like, the greatest match taglines on shit, because it makes it bad in comparison to what it should have been by advertising. Like the Roman Reigns and Brock match at Mania this year. It was a 10-minute finisher spam, which has gotten old, yet it was billed as the greatest WrestleMania match of all time. But anyway, that rant's over. Greatest wrestling match ever: Edge, Orton. That was good. Like, actually pretty good. Yeah. The bar fight. This is uncomfortable to see now. Sheamus and Jeff Hardy. I think I'm gonna put it in good. When it first happened, everyone was mad because, oh, they're exploiting his alcoholism. My mom's an alcoholic, and she explained to me that this match was for Jeff Hardy to fight his demons physically. Like, literally fight the demons to try to get him to quit, because he had a relapse before that. So this was a way of therapy. Turns out that therapy probably didn't work, because he walked out of a house show after apparently being intoxicated. So, pretty good. That's all I really got to say. Adam Cole versus Velveteen Dream. Given that Dream's in this, I want to instantly put it in garbage, but that wouldn't be fair. It wasn't too bad, but it wasn't really that memorable either. Like, it wasn't, like, it was just, remember when John Cena and Eddie Guerrero fought in the car park? That's basically what this was. I don't even remember that. I didn't know that from research. But anyway. The Ultimate Deletion match in AEW. Sammy Guevara, I think, and Matt Hardy. I don't want to put it in garbage, because that's just not right. But I'll put it in not too bad. Strowman and Bray Wyatt in the Swamp Fight. That I will gladly put in garbage, because that's exactly what that was. Garbage. The Tooth and Nail match. Britt Baker and Swole. Another one. Garbage. Okay, what the hell is this now? What is this one? What the fuck is that? I'll come back to that one later. Actually, no. What is that? I'm gonna zoom in. Oh, that's the Halloween Havoc. Sorry for that weird zoom right there. That was just me trying to figure out what the fuck that was. Yeah, that's the Halloween Havoc fight. Dexter Lumis versus Johnny Gargano. In the way. Not too. Well, put it in good. Because it was pretty middle of the road. The Money in the Bank match. Where everyone climbed to the. Where everybody climbed the corporate headquarters. I put that one in good. The finish was stupid, but overall it was not that bad. Ciampa and Gargano. Tommaso Ciampa and Johnny Gargano, one final beat. One final beat. I put that one in pretty good. People crapped on it for some reason, but I thought it was pretty good. I'm being pretty generic with my explanations, but I mean, it's really all I can say about this one was it was pretty good. It was very story-filled, and I like that it didn't go too crazy. It was just simple, a ring, and Triple H just said, well, just fight. That's all it was. Stadium Stampede. I'll put this in not too bad. This one is the complete opposite of this one. This one did too much too fast. And I just thought it was ridiculous. What is this one now? I've seen that picture before, but I don't know what the... Oh, that's the MJF and Jericho, I think. Yeah, I'll put that one in. You know what? I think I'm just gonna add a new tier. Or wait. Yeah, I'm gonna add a new tier for unmemorable. Yep. Nope. Yeah. Row below. Ooh. Yep. Okay. Not memorable. And then that one I'll move these two. The Firefly Inferno match. Randy Orton and Bray Wyatt. Amazing. This freaking match. This was insanity. Like, The Fiend got didn't just get his back set on fire, but his entire body was set on fire by Randy Orton. That was crazy. Like, me and my mom are horror fans, right? So that a lot of people crapped on it because unrealistic or something. But I'm sorry. That was the perfect horror story. And that's what... Or it was at that point. It got bad later on. Whenever Randy beat him at WrestleMania in 5 minutes. And he got fired. But that's neither here nor there. Calm down, Chris. Anyway, that's amazing. Speaking of amazing, Boneyard match. This is really the only one on this list that I have and a lot of people have a personal attachment to, because it was Undertaker's final match, and AJ, like, it was AJ and Undertaker in the boneyard, in the boneyard. Yeah, just, it was amazing. It was 20 minutes of just beautiful camera work, great storytelling, and I mean, it's AJ Styles and The Undertaker. What more can you freaking ask for? Undertaker, the best character in wrestling. AJ, the best all-around wrestler in every aspect, in my opinion, in this generation of wrestling. Like, it can't go anything but great. And a little after this, me and my mom were talking about it, and we were wondering how it would be if it was in a ring. Well, my thoughts were it wouldn't have been as good in an actual match as it was in the Boneyard match, because AJ probably couldn't work around Undertaker's weaknesses at the time. So this was a great match. Great, like, mini movie. Alright, I'll be technical with it. Mini movie. And yeah, that's amazing. It's an amazing thing. Firefly Funhouse. I'll put that one up there too, because it's pretty much it was on the same weekend as that, Mania 36. And this was just freaking craziness. Bray Wyatt went back to, like, some deep-rooted shit with John Cena. He pulled out the prototype Cena with the trunks, the Thugonomics. He brought out, as you can see in the picture, NWO Cena, what it would have been like if he would have turned heel, which he never did in his entire career. Pretty dumb move, anyway. And Wyatt beat him. Got his win back for Mania 30. And then we end on a dud. I'm not going to put it in garbage, because that's a bit harsh, but I'll, put it right here. Sting and Darby Allin against the Team Taz. And that was... I just didn't like the atmosphere of that. Like, I know it was supposed to be dark, but it was just too dark. And, I don't know. I just didn't really like it. And that's pretty much it. That's my list of the... That's my list of the matches, the cinematic matches from 2020, the cinematic matches. Oh, Cultaholic made this? Huh. Should have known that. Anyway. Yeah, guess check out Cultaholic. Anyway, that's pretty much it. This is my list. To recap, we have the Firefly Inferno, the Boneyard match, the Firefly Funhouse match. That's a tongue twister. In amazing. Greatest wrestling match ever in the One Final Beat match. In pretty good. In just good, we have the bar fight, the Halloween Havoc match, the Halloween Havoc thing with Gargano and Dexter Lumis, and the Money in the Bank. In not too bad, we have Velveteen Dream and Adam Cole, the Ultimate Deletion, I wish I knew the name of this, but it's Sting and Darby against Team Taz, and the Stadium Stampede. In garbage, which is the worst of the worst, we have the Swamp Fight and Tooth and Nail. And in not memorable, we have this and MJF and Jericho, I think. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, comment, subscribe. All my links are in the description below to my Discord, Instagram, and Twitter. I'm recording this at damn near midnight. And I'll have it. If everything goes to plan, this is going to be uploaded at noon on April 6th. If everything goes to plan, this will be up on noon April 6th. And have a great evening, morning, or night whenever you're watching this. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Adios. And you should do this. You should do this. Okay, bye.